Using the wheelchair ramp to board a pontoon at Crest Lodge is simple and fun. Begin by motoring the pontoon to the boat ramp dock. Be sure to use the fore and aft mooring lines to prevent the boat from floating away. The boat ramp gradually descends into the lake, so before beginning, you want to make sure that all locks on the wheelchair have been deployed. The next step is to turn over the steel plate on the shore side of the boat ramp dock. Release all the locks on the wheelchair. This metal plate serves as a ramp from the concrete to the wood decking of the dock. Please note that on a windy day, the boat will have a tendency to pull away from the dock. There is a second steel plate located at the far end of the dock. This plate serves as a gangway between the dock and the boat. It may be necessary to adjust the position of the boat to ensure proper alignment between the metal plate and the boat doorway. Once this second steel plate is in place, you may now board the boat. Once on board, turn the metal plate back over and close the door to the pontoon. You are now ready to enjoy your boat ride. To disembark from the pontoon, simply reverse these steps. This is where a second set of hands may be required to prevent the boat from pulling away from the metal plate.